Successful businesses like yours aim to improve profitability while reducing their environmental impact. What if you could optimize your energy costs, reduce your emissions without interrupting your operations? With zero upfront investment or operation cost. Symbior Solar provides solar electricity to your facility from solar panels operated by our professional team on your roof. You save on your electricity costs every day the sun shines, with 50+ years cumulated experience. Symbior Solar Team is already providing power to Kraft Heinz, Dole, Siam City Cement, Grua, Robinson Department Stores, and other commercial and industrial clients. Your finance team will value lower electricity bills with no capex nor opex. Your facilities team will love the hassle-free installation with our professional team and our long-term warranties. And your marketing and environmental officers will capitalize on your CO2 reduction commitment for your customers. Contact us to schedule an initial consultation with our engineering team today. Your installation could be up and running in just as fast as 4 months.